Hey everyone, it's Tiffany with Miller's Mad Creation. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over my Pink Leopard portrait planner. I have a landscape planner and it's been popular, so I've had a few people ask about a portrait version of it, so that's what I have here today. So I'm just going to do a little quick walkthrough. It's very similar. It does have a few changes. For the most part, it's similar to the landscape version. Before we get started, I am using my 12.9-inch iPad Pro with a second generation pencil. I have this Apple grip that I got off of Amazon just to make it a little more comfortable, and I can link this stuff down below. As for the app I'm using GoodNotes 6. It's what I recommend for Apple products, but there are other PDF note-taking apps out there that will work with Apple and Android devices as well. I also have a OneNote planner in my Etsy shop if you're looking for a OneNote planner. So this one is going to be an undated planner. It just means that whenever you purchase it, you can use this over and over. It does come with a link to download this planner, so you just save the original file and you just upload a new one into GoodNotes each year, and so you can start over fresh. If you purchase a dated planner, it's obviously going to come with everything already filled in for you, already set up. But the benefit of having an undated one, as I said earlier, is that you can use it over and over, and a dated one, you're going to have to purchase one every year. Okay, so we're going to go to the first page. So just like my landscape version of this planner, the index is going to be linked to this binder ring. So whenever you're on a different page, you could just click this and it's going to bring you to this index page. These are just some fast links so that you can access some of these extra pages really quick. So these links will take you to the different sections of the planner. So we have a year at a glance, a finance, meal planner, shopping list, contacts, passwords, goals, vision board, and a gift list and stickers. And then you have your different variety of papers down here. So here's the year at a glance. If you want, you can fill these in. You also can tap them and they will take you to that month's page. Here's the January. So as you can see, everything's undated. This is where you can decorate it however you want. You can either use the number stickers that I included and import those in and number it that way, or you can handwrite it in, or you can purchase different little sticker packs that are decorative and decorate it however you want. I'm going to make sure that I am in clickable mode. That just means if I toggle this on and off, this is going to pull up my toolbar. If I tap it again, it's going to make it where I can touch the links. So I created this planner to be as dated as possible as an undated planner can be. So you will date your months, and if you go to your weeks, so you will have to date your weekly layouts as well. But if you notice down here, I have numbers, and these are all the numbers that are in this month. So January has 31 days. So if you click on the first, it's going to take you to the first. So you don't have to worry about numbering your daily pages. Okay, let's go back to January. So if you notice at the top, these are going to be your quick links to your month at a glance, your monthly finance, your habit tracker, your monthly notes, your monthly reflections, and your blank page. So if you're in January, it's going to take you to month at a glance. So January month at a glance, here's your January finance page, here is your January habit tracker, January notes, your January reflections, and then a blank page. You can use it to duplicate it as many times as you want to. You can decorate it, whatever it is you want to do. This is a blank page for you to do that. So if you notice up here, I added Apple and Google integrations into this planner. So you have something that you're planning and you want to add it to your Apple calendar, your Google calendar, or reminders, you can do that here. So for Apple, you're going to click on the Apple. It's going to ask you if you want to open up this shortcut. And then it's going to ask you which one. Do you want to do an event or a reminder? So let's do a current date. And we're just going to select the time of this event. So now if we go to our calendar, so we're going to look for the 11th. And then now you see where it was added. So if we go to the next page, you're going to see all the different sections of this planner broken down into months. So anything that has to do with finance, you can click on the month. Same with habits, notes, reflections, and then the blank page. Now, in order for these links to work, you're going to have to download this shortcut. You're going to click on the link, and it's going to ask you if you want to proceed, and you hit yes. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. Once you get it all set up and go through these steps right here, you can disable it if you would like to. So once that's all done, these links will work. Okay, let's go through a few pages that I've been playing with. So here's a September monthly overview. If I want to go to the week, I can go to that week and see what I had going on there, or I can add in. Here's my October so far. I'm still working on decorating it. And we are in week 2. Still working on decorating it as well. So you can kind of get an idea of how you can add stickers and add text and decorate it and just really customize it however you want. So as you can see, you get an idea how you can decorate it and add your dates. You can add as little or as much, just depending on however you plan. You can make it personal. That's what's so great about digital planning, is you can take things and change them. If I want to move this image right here, I can do that. And I'll go through the toolbar real quick. So you have a pen tool. You can write, and then you can hit erase. The pencil is new. So if you wanted to color with a pencil and color in, it fills in and works like a pencil. It also has, if you turn it to the side, you can shade like a real pencil. There's a highlighter tool. So if you want to highlight a week of something that's going on, there's a tape function. If you want to make shapes, you can do that as well. And if you hold it, it will make a perfect shape. And then if you want to take this border off, all you have to do is hit the back button right here. So then this can be kind of like a sticky note, which is what most people would use, but now we have a sticky note option as well. So they've upgraded the lasso tool. Here are the different options. If you don't want to move handwriting, you can turn that off. And it's not going to move it. Anything that has been written. But if I want to move this, I can. Elements, this is where you can save any of your stickers. So one thing I like to do is I have my numbers saved for the different layouts and stuff, so I just import those in. Here's the sticky note function. So you can make it different sizes and different shapes. You can also change the color. You can add in images. You can write with text. So if you have scribble turned on, you can write and it will change it to text. This is the zoom feature. So if you want to zoom in somewhere when you're writing, you can. Ruler, if you want to draw a straight line and you can't to save your life, there's the ruler. You can also rotate it. And you can also set a timer, and you can create different modes. You can also go through and change the color of your text and your pen tools. You also can change the size. So you can find it listed on my website, millersmadcreations.com, or on my Etsy shop, which is Miller's Mad Creations as well. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you love it. I would love to hear how you use it and see how you use it. And if you have any questions or anything, please leave a comment down below. And thank you for watching.